Namaste friends. Are you suffering from the problems of throat? Do you always feel that you have something obstructed or some pain or some inflammation in your throat area, in your larynx area? Or do you feel that when you speak, your voice is not coming out properly, there is some hoarseness in your voice, especially in teachers, in preachers, in the singers who are performing on stage, or those who have to continuously speak for hours. They feel that their larynx has become weak and their voice is not coming out properly. So my dear friends, today I will share with you a very effective and a useful homeopathic medicine, R for